In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create the background and hair texture. So what you see me doing is using the compressed charcoal stick, and I'm using it on its side to tone in the negative space and to also block in some of the shadow areas in the hair. And then I'm smudging it down with a tissue or with your own hand. And then I use my eraser to erase back out the highlight areas. Since this is supposed to show a dramatic use of light and shadow, a lot of the hair will appear to emerge from the shadow areas. And we only have to represent some stronger highlights and then intensify some shadows. So I kind of continue to work in and out and around the hair area and the frame of the face to develop where I want the shadows to be and to think of the hair as having volume. I use some white charcoal to add back in stronger highlights, and I allow those highlights to fade out into the shadow areas that are surrounding it. I continue this process of adding in highlights, adding in shadows, and erasing out textures with my vinyl eraser to continue to develop the form and texture of the hair. It's important to use a thin eraser on its side. I like to cut the eraser into a triangle shape so that way I can create more thin, wispy lines and allow some of the hair to kind of come away from the outermost edge to loosen it up a little bit.